0.1 HCl. First, we have the principle. This depends on titrating the prepared HCl against exactly standardized 0.1 NaOH based on the following fact. Solutions of equal normalities react together with equal volume. Second, we have the procedure. First, we transfer 10 ml from the prepared 0.1 HCl into a conical flask. Second, we add 10 drops of phenolphthalein as an indicator. Third, we titrate again with 0.1 NaOH till the first persistent pink color. And we have the endpoint from colorless pink. Here we have the NaOH in the burette, and we have the sample and the indicator in the conical flask. With the first drop of excess of NaOH, the sample will turn pink since phenolphthalein turns pink in the basic medium.
We wash the conical flask with distilled water. We're gonna wash the burette with water. Then we're gonna wash the burette with the titrant NaOH. Then we are going to transfer 10 ml of the sample HCl into a conical flask. Then we're gonna add 10 drops of phenolphthalein as an indicator. Then we add an AOH in the burette as a titrant till the number is 0. Then we titrate till the first persistent pink color, and the endpoint should equal 10 since the titrant volume should be equal to the sample's volume, since solutions with equal normalities react together with equal volume, and there are both strong base and strong acid. Here we have the pink color.
Here we have the calculations. The F small equals the volume of the exact solution over the volume of the approximate solution. Here the exact solution is the sample, which is the HCl, and the approximate solution is the titrant, which is the NaOH. And the F small value should range from 0.95 to 1.05 since solutions of equal normalities react together with equal volume. Thank you. This was presented to you by Abdul Mahir of Clinical Laboratory in Medina Martina.